Good morning, students. Welcome to the online lecture of class 3rd English. Today we are going to start from activity 3. The name of our activity is Mr. Rabbit Plays a Prank. One day, little Mr. Rabbit was running along the beach, lippity-lippity, when he saw Mr. Well and Mr. Elephant talking together. You are the biggest creature on land, Mr. Elephant, said Mr. Well, and I am the biggest creature in the sea. Yes, and we are best friends. Little Mr. Rabbit was watching them. He wanted to have some fun, so decided to play a prank. So students, we can see that Mr. Elephant and Mr. Whale, both of them are talking about that they are the biggest creatures, one on the sea and one on the land. And here we have a little Mr. Rabbit who is watching them and is thinking of having some fun. So he decided to play a prank. Let's move. He ran away and got a very long, very strong rope. Then he brought out his big drum and hid it in the bushes. He took the rope in his hand and went to the beach where Mr. Whale and Mr. Elephant were talking, where Mr. Whale is swimming. So, oh please, dear Mr. Whale, he said, will you please help me? What is it, Mr. Rabbit? Mr. Whale asked. You look worried. What happened? Oh, Mr. Well, said Mr. Rabbit, my cow is stuck in the mud near that hill. Will you please help me pull her out? I asked so many animals, but no one is as strong as you. None of them could pull her out. Please, please help me. Mr. Well was so pleased, he smiled and said yes at once. Thank you, Mr. Well, said Mr. Rabbit. This is what I will do. I have this strong rope. I will tie one end around you and the other end around my cow. Then, when I am ready, I will beat my drum. When you hear the sound, pull very, very hard for my cow, which is stuck deep in the mud. Huh, said Mr. Well. I am strong enough to pull out even 20 cows from the deepest ocean. Little Mr. Rabbit tied one end of the rope around Mr. Well and ran off lippity-lippity to the hill where Mr. Elephant was eating some juicy leaves. Oh, Mr. Rabbit, he said, will you please help me? What is it? Asked by Mr. Elephant. My cow is stuck in the mud near the beach, said little Mr. Rabbit, and I cannot pull her out. I'm sure you could, since you are so big and strong. No one is as strong as you. Certainly, said Mr. Elephant, I will help you. Thank you, Mr. Elephant, said Mr. Rabbit. This is what I will do. I have this strong rope. I will tie one end around the trunk and the other around my cow. Then, when I am ready, I will beat my drum. When you hear the sound, pull very, very hard for my cow. It's stuck deep in the mud. Huh, don't worry, said Mr. Elephant. I could even pull out 20 cows. So, students, as you can see, both of them are there in this trick. Mr. Well and Mr. Elephant, both of them heard the same story from Mr. Rabbit, and both of them are tied with the strong rope. Mr. Rabbit tied the other end of the rope tightly around Mr. Elephant's trunk and ran away into the bushes. There he sat down and beat the big drum. So, students, both of them are tied with a rope. So, when Rabbit beat the drum, let's see. This seems to be a very heavy cow, said Mr. Elephant, but I will pull her out. After all, I am the mighty Mr. Elephant. And he dug his feet into the ground and gave a big pull. Dear me, said Mr. Well, that cow must be stuck really deep. And he pulled with all his strength. So students, as you can see, both of them are pulling very hard. As you can see, there is no cow. This is just a trick which is played by Mr. Rabbit. And both of them, the Mr. Well from the sea, Mr. Elephant from the land, both of them are pulling very hard. And when they are pulling harder and harder, the rope broke between them. So, Mr. Well jumped deep into the sea, pulling the rope with him. The pull was so strong, Mr. Elephant came slipping and sliding towards the beach. Now, Mr. Elephant was terribly angry. How could the cow pull me so far? He thought. He pulled with all his might and up came with Mr. Well out of the water. Who is pulling me? Shouted Mr. Well. They began to pull again and again, and as I said, the rope broke. Mr. Well turned a somersault and landed deep into the water. Mr. Elephant fell over backwards and landed plop on the hill. So Mr. Well was gone deep in the water when the rope broke, and Mr. Elephant fell backwards and landed on the hill. Little Mr. Rabbit sat in the bushes and laughed and laughed and laughed. So students, as we can see, the Mr. Rabbit, our little Mr. Rabbit, was successful in playing a trick or playing a prank with both of the biggest creatures, one of the sea and other Mr. Elephant of the land. So this is all about our activity 3. Thank you, students.